Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to an unboxing which is very simple and basic because it is only including one item, which is going to be my item from last week, because obviously this is like a week 4 unboxing, or maybe I'll just put it specifically as the item, which is going to be the Crow sweater, which obviously I checked out last week for the personal. So yeah, that is pretty much it in the end. So as per normal, let me know down below whether your item has arrived, whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling whatever you picked up. That's basically it, really. Yeah, there isn't much else to say. I will try to show this in more detail, like the sweater in more detail, by just having it up close instead of me like holding it up to the camera. I'll record afterwards and try and just show it a bit better. So yeah, also try and have like an outfit, and then I need some tips or like ideas because my style sense is just awful. So yeah, let's get into this anyway. Okay, so obviously the reason why I've just literally got a basic tee on that I normally wear quite frequently anyway, is purely because of the fact that this is going over the top basically instantly. So yeah, I'll just move it into place. And then yeah, I've got an outfit-ish ready, I suppose, but it's really basic and simple because I don't really want to be wearing cargo pants or any sort of, I'm not really a pant person nowadays. I mean, sweatpants maybe, but cargo pants and things like that, or things that might look a bit better in the end with a sweater, I'm not really into. So yeah, regardless, let's just crack this open. It seems like it's not in a bag, which is a new thing for Supreme, obviously, because they're doing the whole like for the environment, obviously, but at the same time, it means that it could be like dusty or dirty, or you know what I mean. But yeah, especially with it being white, the majority of it being white. Oh no, it is in a bag. We're safe, we are in a bag. I know a lot of people ask if it is mohair or not, so we'll find out. So there it is. That does look, oh, okay. We get another set of cards. I'll take another set, I suppose, and a basic box logo sticker, which you can always do with, I guess. So yeah, that does sort of look like mohair, but I haven't had a mohair sweater before, so I can't really tell. So plain and simple, comes in the bag. On the back, I'm just showing the label. Obviously it says the Crow. And yeah, let's crack it out. Please fit, please, for the love of God, fit. The one thing that I'm worried about, I don't like going on and on and on and on about things like it, but obviously with losing a bit of weight, some of the things that I used to wear, I can't wear anymore. So yeah, I'm worried about this, but as you can see like the little frame, I guess you would say. So I believe it is mohair in the end. So yeah, let's open it up. I've got to remember how to fold it because I'd like to put it back in the bag for the time being, because I hate having to put things on hangers because it stretches them out. So yeah, let's open it up. That's how it looks. Let me actually get a good like look at it myself. Yeah, it's not as standout as I thought. It's more low key. The details, I mean, the details are still there. Obviously the back, like Joker-esque, is still there. The details are still there, but it's not as like a strong impression as I was expecting. So yeah, let's just lob it on anyway. Right, sleeve length, okay. Yeah, I'd say that's a decent fit for me actually. Arms are a bit, I've got a bit in them, but yeah, as an overall, oh, that material's a bit, feeling a bit itchy, but itchy the killer. But yeah, I'd say that's not too bad as an overall, yeah. If you want specifications for me, I'm 6 feet tall, like 6 foot and like a little bit, like, and some change, closing to 6'1", hopefully soon. I mean, on me, it's not that bad. So yeah, it definitely doesn't stand out as much as it did online, but obviously I'll put close-ups and things. And now I'll just put like what I was thinking to wear, basically. Now I know my sense of style isn't brilliant, but this was my basic idea for what I would have liked or what I would have wanted to do in the end, which is basically shorts. I wish it was actually a bit longer so that it was hanging a bit like an oversized, but I'm not complaining. But I was basically just want shorts and then shoes. So white or off-white, I think sort of color would work best with this, and then I think maybe black. I was thinking a pair of like New Balances might look decent, but they normally look better in grey. So, but maybe that's me, but this is what I was just thinking. because my style sense is horrendous and this is nice and simple. I don't know whether I'd need white with black for shorts or whether black with some white is fine, but yeah, just let me know, because I don't know. I think this is alright. I'm happy with it. The sweater's nice. So yeah, I still can't tell if it's mohair or not. I thought that it was, or it looks like it is, but maybe that's just me, because compared to sweaters that I've had before, it's a bit different, but yeah, sleeve. But yeah, that is that. So at the end of the day, I'm happy with it. I think it looks quite decent. I should probably just do like a stand and turn from a bit closer, like here, just so that you can fully see like the piece and how it comes out on someone and everything. But yeah, that is the piece in the end, and that is going to cover the unboxing. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, much appreciated. I don't know if you could enjoy it or not, but yeah, other than that, I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.